Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University. Today we're switching things up. We're going to talk about a project we've been working on based on the Ground Pounder 1/10 electric monster truck. We've been tweaking and tuning this truck for weeks now, and we've come up with this exciting build. Let's talk about what we did to give this truck an all-new attitude. Our modifications started with the electronics. A mega truck needs power, so the stock brush system was swapped out with the Hobbywing 60 amp ESC and a 3300 kV motor, the same system that can be found in Redcat vehicles like the Camo X4. As you know, the Camo X4 hauls, and this project will now have plenty of power too. The steering also needed some tweaks. The rear steering servo was removed and the front steering servo was swapped out with a Hexfly 25 kg option, complete with the aluminum servo horn that comes with the servo as standard. We're going to power this truck with a Hexfly 2S LiPo battery. Now with more power, we had to make some modifications to the driveline. The 48 pitch pinion and spur were swapped out with a Robinson Racing Gen 3 steel spur and slipper upgrade. The spur is now 32 pitch and we used a 32 pitch pinion for better durability. Then onto the rear axle. We decided to lock out the rear differential using strip caulk to lock up the gears. This makes it easy to take the putty out later in case we want to run an open diff again. While working on the rear axle, short turnbuckles were made using ends from the Camo X4 to lock the rear steering knuckles in place. That wraps up the major mods to the chassis. Now it was time to make it look like a mega truck. To do that, we found some Proline 2.2 Beadlock wheels in our collection and wrapped them in Proline 2.2 Super Swamper tires. Vanquish hex adapters were used to bolt the rims to the axles. Topping off this truck is a Proline Power Wagon body custom painted using Tamiya Paints. This body is for crawlers, but with some custom trimming and mounting, we were able to fit it to our mega truck. There you have it, the details behind our Ground Pounder Mega Truck project build. This is part 1 of a 2-part video series. We're going to head out and get some action footage of our truck for part 2. You don't want to miss that, so hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you can see the video as soon as we post it.